Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through a college day in my life. I really like doing these because you guys get to see just like my everyday life and all my studying and going to classes and stuff. Today I only have one class, but I have a lot of homework to get done today, and I want to get 2 videos out for you guys this week, so this will be one of those videos. So I woke up at 9:30 today and my class is at 12:40. Right now it's 11:52, so it's almost 12. I'll have to start getting ready for my class soon, and then after my class is when most of the work will get done. My class is from 12:40 to 3. I'm just drinking my coffee and then I'll get dressed and go to class. Okay guys, it's 12:20. I really should leave now, but I wanted to eat a quick snack and show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this long sleeve mock neck from Urban Outfitters. These jeans are from PacSun. This cardigan is from Urban Outfitters, and these shoes are from Sorel. And this is my cozy fall outfit for the day. And now we're going to head to physics class. Okay guys, so it's now 2 o'clock, and basically I didn't end up going to class because I realized I forgot to do a worksheet that's due today, and we get one skip, and I'm not feeling well. Like, my stomach hurts. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna use my one skip today and just let them know I couldn't make it to class and that I'll be there on Thursday. So since then I haven't done much, but I'm going to do some studying and some homework, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm up to while I do that. So basically I am obsessed with Billie Eilish. I love her with all of my heart, and I just bought some Billie Eilish merch, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I really don't have money to buy merch, but I did because I'm going to her concert in March and I want something to wear, and I want to support my girl, you know? So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. Okay, so I ended up getting this beanie. I think that it's really cute and I've wanted it for a long time. And then I got this hoodie, and I don't know, it's a little more edgy than my style usually is, but I'm gonna wear it with those big chunky white filas and some leggings, and I think it'll be so freaking cute. So now we can get to homework and studying, and yeah, that's about it. Okay guys, so today I'm doing a lot of work on my online class because I do have an exam due by this Friday in this class. The exam is already posted, but I can take it at any time by Friday. But basically I wanted to tell you guys about this specific online class if you haven't taken one before. Every online class is different, but I want to tell you about the one that I'm taking. So I'm taking Navigating Another Culture, which is like making you culturally aware as a person and telling you how to basically not be ignorant to other cultures. So what I do is I have modules each week or every 2 weeks, and this is module 3. So basically there's 3 parts to this module. This is the second part, and what I do is I have to read all of this, including the videos and the articles that are linked in here. There are articles like linked in like blue text and stuff. So I read all these and then finish this whole page, and then I take a module quiz, which is just a small quiz. It's like 5 questions, and then I can take that 2 or 3 times to try and get a 4-point. I've gotten a 4-point on all of them so far. This is what I'm working on today. I want to finish part 2 and part 3 of module 3, and then my comprehensive module quiz, which is just testing me on all 3 parts of the module, and that's it. The other funny thing is that Post Malone is my freaking D2L picture. Just thought you guys should know that. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm doing. It's sort of hard to film anything for studying an online class, but especially when you don't really take notes for. Yeah, this is what I've been doing for the past couple hours, and I'll update you guys when I move on to something that I can show you me taking notes for or something like that. So I took the quiz a second time and I got a 4-point on it. So I'm going to start part 3 of my module and then take the comprehensive quiz and everything, and then I have to do like a discussion post, and then I'm done with this class finally. Guys, look how cute Edgar baby is. Oh, Edgar. Oh, Edgar. And he's just being adorable and purring, being a big sweetheart. Hey guys, it's almost 7:30 and I'm gonna have to go to my class at like 7:45. I like just woke up. I've been in bed awake, but I was so cold that I didn't want to wake up. I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna head to my orgo recitation. That's at 8. Okay guys, so it's 7:45. I'm making my coffee to go and that's what you hear in the background. And I'm going to head to chem or orgo recitation, and then I have orgo lecture right after until 11.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Okay guys, I'm back from my classes and I have Edgar here. He just wants to say hi. He actually doesn't want me to hold him right now. So I just got back from my classes. It's 11:15 and I think I'm gonna make an early lunch. I'm really craving pesto pasta. Oh my god, I don't have noodles left. Okay, I can't have pesto pasta, so I'm going to probably make some egg wraps, like just some eggs and cheese in a tortilla, and have that for breakfast slash lunch. I didn't get to eat breakfast this morning because I woke up like 20 minutes before I had to leave, so I had to get ready really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna make my breakfast and then start studying. What I do is I scramble my eggs, like, you know, whisk them up and stuff. Then I butter the pan, I cook the eggs for a little bit, and then add cheese toward the end. And then I warm up a couple quesadillas and then put the cheese eggs inside of them and salt them, and then voila, I have a breakfast. Okay, so I had my breakfast. I'm gonna now clean up my room a little by hanging up some of my clothes and then making my bed a little nicer and then cleaning my desk area because it's a mess right now. Okay, so my bed is much cleaner now. I hung up my stuff. And then my desk is sort of a lost cause as of now. Cats keep messing things up, so I'm just gonna leave it and start studying. Okay, so I've told you guys this before, but basically I'm just gonna give you the rundown again. In Orgo, I take the notes in pencil so I can keep up, and then places I need to fill in stuff from the PowerPoint, I just leave a circle. Then I take pictures of this, put it on my computer so I can copy it down, and then I erase the notes, and then when I'm finished, it looks like these. And I've gotten a little more studying done while copying them because I'm able to, you know, like rewrite them a second time, which is sort of studying. So that's what I'm going to do now, and yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I have one more class today at 3 p.m. It's 2:20 right now. I'm gonna go to that class, and then after that, I honestly am probably just gonna take a break from studying and homework because it didn't seem like I did a lot yesterday, but I worked on my online class for like 6 hours, and today I, had my early classes, and then I've been studying and editing my video for the past like 2.5 hours. I'm just a little done with studying, a little done with homework. The rest of the day is gonna be for relaxing, cleaning, maybe hanging out with somebody. You need to make sure you don't stretch yourself too thin when you're doing a lot of studying and stuff, so I'm gonna try to make sure I don't do that today. I may end up doing homework, not sure, but I'm just gonna end the vlog here and try to get this video out for you guys today. Okay guys, I love you with all of my heart, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Stay tuned for the second college day in my life video later this week. It'll definitely be a little more interesting than this one because I won't be doing as much online work. And yeah, I love you guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later this week in another video. Peace out guys.